All right. Hello everybody. It's your multiversal traveling friend here, Grayson or Crystalanium or Crystal. Now, if you don't know, I've been on vacation at Yellowstone, South Dakota, and all these amazing places, which I think you guys should really visit because it's super fun. But while I was there, there was an update to Gorilla Tag that I know nothing about because I had no internet and couldn't see anything. So we're just gonna jump right into it. It's it's like summer 2.0, pretty much. I have 2,000 shiny rocks. That's nice. Okay. But basically, it's Under the Sun flashback. Ooh. Oh, it's 2,000. Just the amount I have. Rubber ducky is a seagull. Oh, face paint. Sunburn. I like these shades though. Add a cart. 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 Add. Boom. Is there any new things over here? What does this say? Summer splash pack with 10,000. $30, jeez. Any added things over here? There still seems to be no pins for the or not the desert, the beach map, so they should probably... Okay, so, let's try these out. We've got a... Oh, there's a little floaty. Whee! That's cool. Rubber ducky. Oh. Oh. We've got a... What's it? A bubble gun? Bubble. Can you pop them? Oh, you can. when the bubble gets in your eye. Popicle. It's the same color as me. How to eat. Eat it. Let me eat. We gotta see. It wobbles. Oh no! I got ice cream on my chest. Oh, it's sunscreen. Oh, that's cool. Got it. Oh, makes my vision really weird. I like that. That's cool. The green also looks pretty cool. The black. I like the black. But what about the blue? Okay. He's sporting that cool look. Alright, I might get either one of those two. Let's just get rid of stuff from the cart. And all this stuff is gonna be... Wait, there's two new things! There's two new things! What is this? There's a small thing, and then there's this, like, this bat. Is there like a pinata somewhere? Hold on. What? Let me move all the ones I don't want. Come on, let's check out these. So these are all the same, but you have a s'more thing. Oh, a s'more thing, and then and what? Oh, it's on my back. You can eat it. Oh, that's cool. What's this thing? What did I just do? What was that? It like exploded. What is this thing? Hold on. Is it a firework launcher? Oh. It won't go up. It's a firework launcher. It's a rocket launcher, guys. There's no rocket launcher in Gorilla Tag. Where does it go? Okay, can I dual wheel? No, I can't. Let's go outside and see if we can. Oh, I can't. I forgot. It gets rid of it. So if I just grab it. I suck at this. I don't know if to make it go again. I think it's on a timer. Okay, these are cool. I think I'm gonna go. I think I've been rocking a lot of cyan recently. So I might go with the black. Can I like push him up? No, can't. It exploded. It's a boom boom. It's a boom boom launcher. I don't know. I'm thinking right now. Should I go with the cyan or the black? To be honest, I'm gonna go with the cyan. I like the cyan more. Makes my field of vision a little bit weird. Okay. We have cool sunglasses. That's cool. Kind of does some weird stuff with my vision, but that's fine. Now, are there still firework launchers? The rocket's here, and I learned that the rocket goes through the cloud map. There are still rockets here. Okay, so that's cool. But the one thing I heard is that the campground stuff there's more like camping stuff. What is that? What is that? Bug, dog, what this? It's not. Dog, get out of here. They're water balloons. Oh my gosh. Dude, you can literally create a mini game with these things. Dog, catch. Hold on. Dog. I missed. I need to hit Doug in the... It went through Doug. Doug, come here. Doug, you're coming with me. He's invincible. There's so many, though. There's a bucket there. There's a bucket over there. There's not a bucket over here. But yeah, you can make mini games out of these. This is cool. Ooh, wait, maybe there's some on Beach Map. I just thought about that. There's probably like a ton of them because like Beach Map, well, it's hot. Though there might be some in Canyons. We'll check out Canyons later. This is like the summer 2.0 update. I've got bloody rocket launchers in them. I really enjoy these glasses though. Kind of make my field of vision weird, but as long as I focus on what I'm actually like on my screen, it's fine. And I can always take them off. Also gives me a distinct look. I need more shiny rocks to make my own kind of character so I don't look like a mini games kid or anything. Whoa, see there's buckets. Hold on. Buckets. There's nets. Hold up. There's a scoreboard. Yo, this is definitely for mini games. Volleyball. Oh, that's what it's for. You gotta put the... Oh, come here. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Oh, can you grab it? Oh, you can't. Huh. Oh! Monkey need to swim. I really suck at this. No, I'm this way. Monkey. Oh, it goes underwater from the waterfall. That's so cool. And so if it goes in there, which it isn't, score. The orange team's got a point. Okay, that's sick. Yeah, there's definitely some, like, new beach mini games. Yeah, but look at all these balloons. Did the balloons sink? Oh my gosh, it's glitching. Does it pop? It does when it hits something. I missed. Hold on. I want to hit the volleyball. Dog is transparent is the volleyball. It is not transparent. That's cool. Okay, so it's gotta get out of these weird little floating things. I kind of wish there was something that helped you with, like, floating in water map. I guess you could call it, because, well, water. But yeah, this place is cool. It's got tons of things. Oh, no. Oh, there's a water balloon bucket right here. Oh, there's one up there. Ugh, gorilla. Oh yeah, also there's gonna be some new content with some stuff that your hint is it might be a bit sus. I missed. Oh, is there one up here? I haven't played Gorilla Tag in a while, so I'm not that good. I mean, I haven't played it in a week, and, well, that may not seem like I would be way that bad, but, oh, I thought that was a seagull. Oh, and the firework launchers. There's that weird grate down there. I've seen that. I wonder if there's gonna be like another basement map with water. But yeah, this update is really cool. I am really early since the 7-day notice has already happened. I'm pretty sure for the cosmetics that I'm pretty much wearing. But yeah, still, this update is cool. But there's one more thing I want to check out. And you all know what that is. I literally am wearing a badge for it. Or pin, I guess. Let's hop it down. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing. One more thing I want to check out, and I'm pretty sure everyone's checked out, and hopefully make this video longer, so I have ad revenue. This video is probably going to be really short. As you can see, not that good, as I do not remember how I need to go. It's caves. Is caves open? I'm guessing there would be stuff. No. There's a sign, and more rocks are gone. Is it like you fall in a hole? I mean, I can't get in. But it's like you fall in a hole. Is caves gonna be like super deep? Is it gonna be like the opposite of clouds? Where instead of going up, you get sucked down? Maybe it's like a waterfall, like down. Because there was water stuff that was dripping in caves. See? But like, dude, I can't wait for caves. Because when I was looking at Gorilla Tag before I even thought about VR, I love the caves map. It was so cool. But, I think that's gonna end today's video, isn't it? Woo! So, yeah, I know I'm late to it and all that good stuff, but, like, oh. But still, I wanted to check it out because I honestly thought caves was gonna be open. But, well, sadly it wasn't. But, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Remember, like this video for, caves, please. Subscribe and ring that bell so you get notifications for my newest videos. There's a glitchy thing going on my screen. I don't know if that's my VR or what that is. But, yeah, have a great day. See you later.